What's in the box? Oh, it's Vinegar Syndrome. Open up the box and it is, if I can get it out, the 4K of Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 with the hard case and a slip cover in there. So 2 slips pretty much. If I can actually, should have perhaps used a tripod. There's the artwork on the outer box. And then I believe it has the original poster on the slip cover, which it does. So if we can actually get that out, it wants to come out. Don't want to manhandle it. There's the art on the slip cover anyway, regardless. I should be able to get it out. There we go. Outer box. There's the back. Dennis Hopper with the chainsaw. Great stuff. Beautiful. 4K UHD from Vinegar Syndrome of Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2. There's the back. There's the side. It's got the logo on it. And inside the second slip is the 4K UHD with the lovely artwork from the outer box 4K. And there is a plethora of extras. I mean, the extras are ridiculous. Absolute ridiculous. As is the film. There you have it. In all its glory. Texas Chainsaw Massacre 2 from Vinegar Syndrome, the 4K UHD.